Hey, are you ready to unlock your potential and achieve your dreams? Welcome to Drona Academy, where your achievement is our mission. Our academy provides foundation courses for 8th, 9th, 10th classes, along with GM NEET courses for 11th, 12th aspirants. Our state-of-the-art facilities and dedicated faculties are here to guide you every step of the way. With our experienced and passionate educators, we ensure that every student receives personalized attention and comprehensive support. Our innovative teaching methods and advanced technology create an engaging learning environment, making complex concepts easy to understand even on online classes too. From well-stocked libraries to extensive online resources, our academy provides everything you need to succeed. Join a community of motivated students who are dedicated to excellence. At Drona Academy, we believe in enhancing talent and fostering success. Hey, so what you waiting for? Take the first step towards your dreams. Enroll now at Drona Academy and turn your aspirations into reality. Drona Academy, where your achievement is our mission.